To compare Credit.com login options, start by understanding what Credit.com offers. Credit.com is a website that provides free credit scores, credit monitoring, and credit education. Comparing login options involves evaluating the different ways you can access your credit information on the platform. First, you need to create an account on Credit.com. Go to the website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. This information is used to verify your identity and provide you with accurate credit information. Once you have created an account, you can log in to Credit.com using your email address and password. You can also use your Facebook or Google account to log in, if you prefer. This is a convenient option if you are already logged into one of these accounts. When comparing login options, consider the security of each method. Credit.com uses encryption to protect your personal information, and you should always use a strong and unique password to log in. You should also be cautious when using public computers or public Wi-Fi to log into your account. Another option is to use the Credit.com mobile app. The app allows you to access your credit information on the go, and it provides an additional layer of security with fingerprint or facial recognition login. To use the app, download it from the App Store and log in with your email address and password. When evaluating login options, consider your personal preferences and needs. If you are always on the go, the mobile app may be the best option for you. If you prefer to log in from your computer, using your email address and password may be more convenient. In addition to comparing login options, it is also important to regularly review your credit report and score. Credit.com provides you with a free credit score and report, and you can use this information to monitor your credit and make informed decisions about your financial health. In conclusion, comparing Credit.com login options involves evaluating the different ways you can access your credit information on the platform. By considering security, convenience, and personal preferences, you can choose the login option that best meets your needs. Remember to always use strong passwords and be cautious when using public computers or public Wi-Fi. To log into your account,